Citrix Access Control provides the industry's best way to deliver SaaS and web applications. It can enhance or replace third-party components like single sign-on, MFA, VPNs, web filters. Let me explain. We can add security to web and SaaS traffic over the entire session while providing users native performance, and there's no added infrastructure required. Okay, so here we're looking at the Workspace app from a PC, and you can see I've got virtual applications right alongside SaaS applications and web application and internal intranet site. If I look at launching Salesforce, for example, we've got configured with enhanced security on, and so that means the print button is invisible. There's no print, there's no download. Copy and paste is grayed out. What Access Control will also do is interrogate the URLs from inside an application, so we can whitelist, blacklist, and control every environment that the URL would take you to. So here, for example, I'll click on Google and it takes me to Google quickly, and that one was on the whitelist. Next, we're going to a site that is blacklisted, and in this case, it's a download site, and you see it's access restricted. Next, I'm going to show you a site that's not categorized. In this case, it's Instagram, but it could be any site that isn't categorized by a web filter. We can allow access to that by opening up in the secure browser service. In that fashion, a website can be open, but it's protected from the local network. This next feature I'm going to show you is called App Protection. This is a unique feature for a Workspace app that adds a layer of security protecting PCs and Macs from screen captures as well as keystroke loggers. Let me show you. What you see here is a keystroke logger that's installed on the PC, and then I will open up Notepad here, and in this case Notepad is actually running locally and it's not necessarily protected by the app protection. So if I were to start typing in passwords, for example, for secret data, you can see everything is being recorded in the keystroke logger. Now, once we look at an app that is protected, like Salesforce, and if I start typing here, what you see here is just gibberish, preventing keystroke loggers from capturing data, capturing keystrokes or credentials of people entering information into a SaaS application, and doing it in a way that's invisible to a keystroke logger that's actually installed on the same machine. Next, I'm going to show you app protection from a Mac. So I'm going to launch Salesforce from the Workspace app, and you can see it launches with single sign-on into the embedded browser. You can see I've got the security enhanced turned on, so it's got my name and IP address. And now what I'll show you though is the ability to block a screen capture. So I just did a screen capture, and notice that the Workspace app itself, that window, and Salesforce is also grayed out. So effectively, Workspace app protection makes everything invisible inside the application to the external device. Okay, let's take a look at access control from the admin side. How do you set this up? It's really simple. So I'm in my Citrix Cloud Admin account. I simply click on Access Control, and from here I can identify the apps that I want to provide access to, as well as the web filter controls, for example. So here, for example, is the blacklist and whitelisted sites that I want to provide access to. Let's take a look at adding enhanced security control to web and SaaS applications. So here I've got my library of web and SaaS applications. We'll take a look at Office, and what you'll notice is I've got the app details here as well as the security controls. And so I can simply point and click and provide granular levels of security controls that single app is delivered with. Any other app I can change the controls on as well. So here you've seen access control and app protection for Citrix Workspace, adding a significant layer of security and control for IT while maintaining productivity and improving the user experience. For more information, contact your sales rep, your solution advisor, or visit us on the web.